In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social share buttons to a Shopify store. Adding social icons makes it easier for visitors to find and follow your brand across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, and it helps build trust and engagement. I'll walk you through the exact steps inside your Shopify dashboard, and by the end, those icons will appear automatically in your store's footer. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your store overview, orders, products, and other options on the left-hand side. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. On the left sidebar, find and click on Online Store. This takes you to the section where you can manage how your storefront looks. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme listed, along with options to customize it. Next, look for the button that says Customize or something similar to Edit Theme. Click on that. This will open the theme editor where you can visually adjust sections, colors, typography, and theme settings. It might take a couple of seconds to load. Once the theme editor is open, look toward the bottom left or top corners of the screen for a small gear icon. This represents your theme settings. Click on the gear icon to open the Global Settings panel. These settings usually control things like colors, typography, cart settings, and social media links. In the Settings panel, find and click on the section labeled Social Media. This is where Shopify lets you connect your store to your social profiles. When you open it, you'll see empty fields for various platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and possibly others depending on your theme. Now, in each field, paste the full URL for the social media profile you want to display. For example, add your Facebook page link in the Facebook field, your Instagram profile link in the Instagram field, and so on. Take your time here to make sure each link is accurate and goes directly to your official pages. When you're done adding all the URLs you need, click the Save button in the top right of the editor. After saving, Shopify will automatically add those social media icons to your store's footer using the links you just entered. You can preview your live store to confirm they appear correctly and that each icon opens the right profile.